Learn different types of verbs. Action verbs. Show action or physical or mental activity. Examples: run, jump, think, read. Linking verbs. Connect the subject to additional information. Examples: be, seem, appear, become. Helping verbs. Used with main verbs to form tenses, aspects, or moods. Examples: will, would, shall, should, can, could, may, might, must. Transitive verbs. Take an object directly after the verb. Examples: eat food, write letter, paint picture. Intransitive verbs. Do not take an object directly after the verb. Examples: sleep, laugh, cry. Regular verbs. Form past tense and past participle with ed. Examples: walk, walked, dance, danced. Irregular verbs. Form past tense and past participle unpredictably. Examples: go, went, take, took. Modal verbs. Express possibility, necessity, or obligation. Examples: can, could, may, might, shall, should, will, would, must. Phrasal verbs. Combine verb and preposition/adverb to change meaning. Examples: pick up, turn off, get on. Reflexive verbs. Have a reflexive pronoun as object. Examples: enjoy oneself, hurt oneself. Reciprocal verbs. Show mutual action between subjects. Examples: meet, marry, agree. Imperative verbs. Give commands or instructions. Examples: go, eat, stop. Infinitive verbs. Function as nouns, adjectives, or adverbs. Examples: to run, to dance, to learn. Gerund verbs. End in ing and function as nouns. Examples: running, dancing, learning. Semimodal verbs. Combine characteristics of modal and main verbs. Examples: need, dare, used to.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe ABC English official channel for more videos.